little baby. Big face up. Got some bikes. I want to buy me a bike too. Oh, I know where I'm at now. This is not what me and Uncle came.
Wait for me. Wait, I don't know. Wait for me. I want to ask if they have WhatsApp. Wait. Yeah, I asked if they get WhatsApp.
So you remember when we went?
Or let's wait.
You remember when we went, right? For the generator.
Yeah.
You remember where we went? Last time we went? Go over there first. Once she leaves us. Now she want to call me. What?
Hello? Yeah, that is 96.
I need this for shaving.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You are in the bathroom.
Yes.
How many liters? We have 50 liters, we have 30 liters.
You have 30 liter and what else?
50 liters.
Okay, what's the difference in price?
It's 655.
5.
Yeah, and the 30 liter, this is
So
30.
5,500,000?
Yeah, this is 5,000. 30 liter.
5,000. It's only 5,000. That's it.
Yeah.
$5,500,000 and then 5 million just for the 30 liter. There's no difference.
Last price?
Yeah, what's the what's the?
Which one we have wrong? Which one we need
That's
to find?
charge, right?
No, he's saying that's how many liters? 30 or 50?
It's by charge.
Yeah, because I don't think we need no 50.
Oh, we need to go for the 50 liter. For the 50.
Because how long would a 30 liter? That how long does that? Because it's hot water on demand, right?
Yeah.
For the point,
You know what I mean, right? Hot water on demand.
No.
what do
Explain
you
to
mean? Like that one, that what not difference? Like the one as you put
I know
the
when
water, so
they
the
answer
one
so
that
fast, they may not understand.
For the storage.
It take they
So we have to store the water up, and then it
Yeah.
gets hot, and then you use it.
Yeah. The 15 and the 30.
See what I'm saying about hot water on demand? As soon as it comes through, it's hot all the way.
Both of them are the same.
They are the same. They are not instant.
Will they sell instant?
Yeah, we have instant.
Where?
Look at that. This is instant.
This one they are.
That's 30 liter.
Instant. No, it is
Oh,
instant.
this square one. The square one, right?
Silver.
What's this one? 20? 25?
It is tankless.
I'm saying, what is it? 25 liter?
It is 25.
25.
25 liters.
But it's constant.
No, I don't money the liter.
No. It is tankless.
In a tankless because now automatic as you put on so the one more
It's
time
instant.
don't come out.
What's yours for that one?
25.
2.5.
1,500.
But that's what cheaper. Charge.
It comes in.
What's our final price? It's for us, man. I'm your brother.
They said it consume a lot of
Alright,
current.
also.
Well, that means it ain't gonna work half the time.
It's a lot now.
No, it won't.
I like how much do you think?
She always say that. Then when I say it don't work, oh well.
3,000 watts? Yeah. Wow.
It's cheap, but
But down a lights now in the second.
we don't have.
This light will be the canal. Why is the same? Not the same because also yeah almost.
What's the 50 gallon? What's the wattage on that one?
Eh? They said the 50 gallon now which watt it gets.
Yeah, but that one ain't gonna serve us no purpose if we ain't got no power.
This iron, I really say this iron, I'm also like that. This yeah.
That's the one I want, but that one. But if we ain't got no power, it doesn't help us. It's a waste of money. We don't have power constant. All right, I'll get back with you. Peace. Passport gang, baby.
The 25.
The 25.